C4 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1994 Chevrolet Corvette convertible model. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, just 66,791 on it at the moment. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front nose or front face in this one. Torch red, tan interior. You can see that nose is in nice shape. Yes, it's going to have a few little spots where previous owner has touched it up, or you may get a little pebble chip or what have you. But overall, paint has a nice shine to it. Shows well. LT1 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down, car from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can see all the still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us. 507-386-1726. Saw blade wheels. They are on the right direction. Michelin tires, and those are date coded approximately 5 years ago. I think 3 of them were 2020 and 1 was late 2019, so it looks like they were installed all at the same time. Plenty of tread left too, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. No major nicks, dings, scratches up and down this passenger side. Again, you can see the paint looks like it's wet, nice shine to it. Of course, bucket seats, center console is that automatic shifter, dual power seats, of course your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This one has the automatic climate control. Aftermarket stereo has been installed and that is working. It also has complete dual exhaust, catalytic converters still intact. Some recent service done to this, has had a fresh oil change recently. Newer exhaust, brakes and tires, mentioned the tires. A new audio system has been installed in it. Note from the technician though, it will need brakes in the near future. Those we're getting down there. Power antenna works. I will show you the top and how to fold that up and back down, show you the condition of it in just a bit. First of all, let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these C4 Vettes, or maybe just like Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can see on this driver's side, it's also really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. These C4s are a lot of bang for the buck. You want to have some fun without breaking the bank and get a nice handling, good looking sports car. Here it is. All right, and again, here's your power windows, power mirrors, cruise control, and that does work. Tilt column. This is a little holder for a phone, just so you're aware of that. That is an aftermarket. Also has had some aftermarket speakers installed in the back cargo area, right at the time of the head unit install. Let's go ahead and fire this up. This car's got a little bit of rumble to it. Exact miles there, kind of tough sometimes in these. There you go, 66,791. Just that seat belt indicator, since I want my seat belt on. Tack is working. The rest of the gauges, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. The battery here looks like oil pressure gauge maybe in op. Excuse me. Oil temp gauge would be working. It was a cold start. Oil pressure gauge looks like it's working just fine also. Alright, top of the dash, looking good. Let's check the stereo a little closer here. Find a station that, whoops, how about this? Oh. There we go, that should come in. 103.5. The stereo is working. headlights. Check those out. Alright, slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Like I said, a little rumble coming out of this one. There's that power antenna. You can see that one's working. I may have to get this hood unlatched, get it raised up here. Yeah, give me a second. We'll get this hood unlatched, check out the engine bay, and then we'll see how that convertible top works. Alright, underside of the hood. Lights are working. And engine bay batteries also new beginning of this year. 225. And again, you can see how much tread's left in those tires. Doesn't appear to have been driven a lot in the last 5 years. And they're also wearing nice and even, you can see. Nice alignment on it. Good looking engine bay. Smooth running 5.7 liter. Nice power plant. Alright, no surprises underneath there. Let's go ahead. Let me get the tripod set up. I want to show you this manual top and how easy it is to put up real quick. So give me a second, we'll get that top up. And convertible top up. So as you can see, manual top, very simple to put up on these C4s. Take a look above the windshield. Nice fit. So it's kind of a camel or tan fabric. Tinted side glass. Know your local and state laws with your percentage of window tint that you can have. But nice fit. Rolls up in there nicely. Glass rear window with electric defog, as you can see. And around to the passenger side, no rips, tears, or holes, really much wear at all. Top's in nice shape. Side glass fits good on the passenger side. I will show you the top folding back up into the storage compartment too, just vice versa of putting it back up. And then Jason's going to take it for a drive. 1994 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. Actual mile car. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 convertible in bright red, looking good with beige and black interior. This is an automatic on the center console. We have an aftermarket stereo in the dash. That sounds good. Speakers added behind the seats. This car has a nice rumble to it. Smooth running car. Our gauges are working. The oil pressure is showing 60 psi, the temperature 180. The volts are charging over 14 on the gauge, so that looks good. I wouldn't expect the oil temperature to be up yet, but we do have an oil temperature gauge, which is nice addition to have. Speedometer digital, that's working. We're doing 50 miles an hour currently. The fuel gauge, which is also digital, 3/4 of a tank. Tachometer working as it should. Power adjustable seats. This is a convertible and we have the top down today. See a little bit of tint on the windows. Brakes nice and smoothly. Kind of a unique rumble to this car. I like the exhaust note. Corners flat as every Corvette should, and most do. Automatic is shifting as it should, nice and firm. The kick down working. Take a look at all the pictures of this car over at uniqueclassiccars.com.